Toolshape for IPW has been added under customer defaults to control whether the assembly tool or parametric tool shape is used for gouge check, collision check, and IPW calculations. Previously, settings had to be specified individually in ISV, check toolpath, toolpath edit, and verify. This feature consolidates these settings and provides a single global control. We'll begin by looking at the new Customer Default option. Tool Shape is new. This option allows you to specify tool assembly or tool parameters to be used for gouge checking, collision checking, and IPW calculations. In this video, we'll show how IPWs are now created consistently using tool assembly. The planar profiling operations use assembly tools. Notice that there is currently no IPW. The first way to create the IPW is to create it in the background. The IPW is based on the assembly tool shape. We can see the IPW by using Show 3D IPW. Now we'll delete the IPW and show another way to create it. The second way to create the IPW is to select an operation and click Show 3D IPW. Again, the IPW is based on the assembly tool shape. The IPW has been created for planar profiling and for the previous operation because it uses it as input. The third way to create the IPW is to select the program and click Check Toolpath. Collision check against IPW must be selected. The IPW is created and a toolpath report is created showing collisions. In addition, you can create the IPW by generating the toolpath for an operation that uses an IPW. The IPW has been created for floor wall 1 and for the previous operation because it uses it as input. Notice the toolpath no longer cuts above the IPW. It now cuts only where there is material to remove. Lastly, you can create an IPW by analyzing it. The IPW has been created for planar profiling and for the previous operation.